Since we just looked at nursing homes on the Facility Provider Locator tool, let's see how nursing homes appear on the Comparison tool. So at the top of the screen, click the red Compare button, scroll down to Nursing Homes, and now you can see on step 1, we need to pick inspection ratings. On step 2, I'm going to select Search by Geographic Location and click the red Continue button. And now we see a map of Florida, and there are several ways you can proceed. You can search Florida by region. This refers to the 11 regions that ACA has divided Florida into, by county, city, name, by special services, or by zip code. I'm going to again search by city, and I'll click and type Orlando in the search box, and then click the red View Results button. And now we can see for our time period that's listed at the top of the page, this is for April 2017 through September 2019, all of the same nursing homes are listed in the first column. This is the nursing home list for Orlando, and these are listed alphabetically. The next column shows us region, and this refers to which ACA region that facility is located in. And now we can see these facilities compared to each other using a star system. So first, let's clear up what these stars refer to. We can scroll down to the bottom of the page and see 5 stars means that this facility ranked better than 81 to 100% of the facilities in its region. All the way down to 1 star, that means this facility only ranked better than 0 to 20% of the facilities in its region. So keeping in mind that 5 is high and 1 is low, we can again see an overall inspection score in the first column here for each facility. We can see an overall 5-star, an overall 1-star, and everything in between. That overall score is based on the inspection components that you can see broken out to the right. And this includes quality of care, quality of life, administration, nutrition and hydration, restraints and abuse, pressure ulcers, decline, and dignity. Now you can print these results on the comparison page. You can export these results to Excel, or you can click the name of any provider to visit that provider's profile page.